Hi guys, it's Cami at Manufactured Housing Consultants located in Victoria. This home you see right here is a double wide. You can get it for 5% down today. In there, it's a 3-bed, 2-bath, open concept, and everything you're gonna need and more. Come on. Hi guys, so we're in the Stevens, that double wide I was telling you about. Right when you walk in, you have your coat hangers, you have plenty of shelving. We even have a plug for anything. Okay guys, so this is the Stevens like I said previously. And here you have an open concept, open layout. You do have your recessed lighting and your air vents in the ceiling. Over here you have your natural lighting. You have plenty of space for the biggest TV that you think you can have. So guys, this is gonna be your dining room. It's definitely got an open feel. You can fit probably a 6-person dining room table here and still have plenty of room. And then you have all this natural lighting. Look at this. You have the sliding door, easy access to your backyard. And over here is gonna be your kitchen island. You have a farmhouse sink, and then you have all stainless steel appliances. Everything's brand new, never been used. And then if you come over here, you'll see your pantry with these barn doors. Are so beautiful. You have plenty of room, plenty of things to fit in here. If you look right there, you have a barn door, and what that is that's actually gonna be your laundry room. And right over here, you're gonna have your first bedroom and then your second bedroom, both with plenty of room in the closet. In this side, you're gonna find your guest bathroom. And guys, we saved the best for last, the master bedroom. So guys, welcome to your master bedroom. This room offers 2 windows, a full-size closet, it's a walk-in, and a full-size master bathroom. And guys, you're gonna love this. Come check out your master bathroom. Cami here again. Come check us out at MHC Victoria. Come see us soon.